Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're going to take a look at a very cool camera chain case that we just finished up. So the most striking thing about this case is that it is built in our Super Duty format, which is built out of 3/4 inch Baltic Birch that is black texture coated and features all black hardware. So generally, these cases are often just reserved for heavy duty applications like cables and things like that, but this particular customer asked us to make a camera chain case out of it. So let's take a look at the interior first, and we'll finish up with the exterior shot here. So looking at the interior here, the first front compartment is designed to hold a Sockler tripod. So this does have the sled attachment and the head on it. And we also have a spot in the back here for the dolly cart. So just giving you another angle about what's going on here. Here's our tripod compartment. We'll zoom in here so you can see. So this is just very generic, just foam lined. There's a trap door that the tripod is sitting on that actually will expose the preview monitor, the viewfinder, and the camera below. So there's the tripod. Here's where our legs are at. And then also here in this top view, we do have a removable tray. So this tray is built out of our XL series. We use this a lot for very light duty cases, but we also use it for trays. It works really well for drop-in trays. So this particular tray is designed just to hold accessories. So some of the things that are in there are the arms for the tripod head. The other things that are designed to go in here are the pan, tilt, zoom controls that go on, which are actually not pictured. We had to send the customer the lens back. So there are certain things that aren't pictured in this. But one of the interesting things is the focus ring for the lens is actually designed to store in this tray. So if you notice, these dividers here have a little notch there, and then it is actually designed to wrap around and store on the side here also. So it is a custom compartment for the focus ring. So I'm going to start to take this case a bit apart, and we'll or take the case apart a little bit, and we'll show you some of the compartments below. Okay, so looking at the interior here, this is the back compartment under the trunk. This is just a generic open storage compartment that it can be used for cables or anything else that goes with the camera chain. And then looking at this front compartment here, this is the business end of the case. So we'll get you in here. So this is the camera. The Blackmagic Cinema camera with the fiber converter on the back. It is designed to have the Fujinon lens attached to it, but we had to send that back to the customer. So you can see on the right-hand side of your screen where the lens would be. This particular case is designed to have the camera, lens, and shoulder adapter sled for everything actually attached. So we do have that, and then on the other side here, this is the Blackmagic preview monitor. So these are all just in their own unique compartments under here, and then this has just a slam lid that goes like that. So that's what that looks like. So looking at the case exterior here, this is a good opportunity to look at these latches. So we call this double recessed hardware. So because the latch itself is recessed, we also route out here and here so that this whole portion is flush. Now we do that with the latches and the handles and the stacking caster wells on the top. So if you notice on the side here, the handles are flush with the exterior case. So that is what we are calling a double recessed hardware. So let's close the lid, and we'll just show you some of the features on the exterior. So looking at the exterior feature set here, you can see the double recessed nature of this hardware, a recessed dish going into a recessed pocket. So this is nice and flush. If you look at the top here, you can see how the caster cups are very recessed. So caster cups, we do use what we like to call a deep recessed caster cup. So it's the normal dish like this, and it also has this divot right here in there. So if you're stacking these cases on top of each other in a truck, it is extremely durable. It's the way that these dishes grab the casters, and we actually have this drawn in CAD so that they can accommodate a variety of different wheels, but it does lock them in extremely well. So if you're looking at the side here, these are our black deep recessed Panelcom handles. And we also do have black flat triangle corners custom made specifically for us for this application. So the exterior case is built out of 3/4 inch Baltic. It has cleats in the lid, as I'm sure you probably saw, to keep the lid or mated with the tray portion. It is riding on Colson 4x2 inch Encore casters, and the bottom portion of the case is 1.5 inches thick. So it does have the trunk itself is made out of 3/4 inch, and then it also has a 3/4 inch bottom insert. So you can load these cases with a lot of weight, which is why it's a unique case for us that somebody wanted to make a camera case out of it. The exterior is coated with our normal black texture coating. All the seams are bondoed and sealed and sanded and routed. This is a really nice bit of woodworking here in this case. So if you have any questions about this or anything else, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com. Check us out. lmcases.com is our website, and you can check us out on Instagram, lm_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope everybody has a great day.